Parts of the United Kingdom warmed up quite nicely, but nothing compared to what was happening in Europe. And on Sunday, Mont-de-Marsan in the southwest of France managed 24 degrees Celsius, a new record temperature for the month of March, and it looks like a large part of Central Europe remains relatively warm all the way through this week. It certainly cools down in France for a time, as well as the northern parts of Spain and Portugal, but that warm air comes back in the second half of the week and into the weekend. It warms up in Hungary, into Romania and up into the more eastern parts of Poland. For ourselves, we're likely to see some scattered showers coming and going over the forthcoming 3 or 4 days, but I think Central Europe could see some more persistent rain through tomorrow, and that rain will be heavy and bring some sleet or snow up over the high ground of the alpine regions of Europe. For the best temperatures, it's probably through the Mediterranean, where there's a little bit of sunshine, but also a risk of a few showers. Now, closer to home, we've got an area of low pressure poised to move in. It's to the west of Ireland right now, but it will bring some more persistent rain in the second half of the afternoon and through tonight as it sweeps its way down towards the more central parts of the UK during the course of tomorrow. Then out of the way, and I think by the time we get to around the middle part of the week, we've got an area of high pressure which hopefully will give us some dry conditions. But then it's all changed yet again through Thursday and Friday as this low gets a little bit closer. It may well bring some warm air initially in front of it, so it starts to warm up towards the end of the week ahead, but then as we move into the weekend it could well cool down. So for the moment we've got the north or northwesterly winds for a time, and then the southwesterlies come back as that warm air gets through. But then it all changes, and as we move into the weekend we start to see those northeasterly winds, a hint perhaps of some cold air to arrive as we move into Saturday and Sunday. For the moment, though, the coldest weather is in the far northeast. As you can see from the satellite and radar picture combined, there's a fair amount of rain, sleet and snow in the northeast of the United Kingdom. And I think for the northeast of Scotland in particular, 10 to 15 centimetres of snow above around 200 metres could cause some problems on some of those higher roads. So for the rest of the afternoon, a scattering of showers, some of those showers heavy and persistent across the more central parts of the United Kingdom. It brightens up a little bit in Wales and the far southwest. More persistent rain, though, back across Northern Ireland. And our top temperature of around about 10 or 11 degrees.